Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to send silent messages on Instagram. Let's have a look. First, open Instagram app. Make sure your Instagram up to date. Tap the messenger icon in the top right. Now open any conversation to send silent message. Tap on the text input box and type at silent. Send message without a notification. You can type at symbol in the text entry field and then tap the silent shortcut above the text entry field. You can also type the full phrase at silent to active a silent message. Leave a space and type your message after at silent. Then tap send. When you send this message, the recipient will not be notified. So these are the steps to send silent messages on Instagram. Let's try to send a silent message to my other Instagram account. First, I would like to send one normal message with notification. Just enter the text and tap send. This message will send a notification. Now I would like to send a silent message. Type at silent and enter the message, then hit send. Silent Instagram messages do not produce any notification, but user can still be read by the recipient. They just have to open inbox manually to see the message. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.